So my dad's getting the lift set on the new truck. The starter seat locked up completely while it was in here, so we're gonna get it lifted up and get this starter changed. We got one laying around from another 2001 F250 5.4, so it's just perfect. So I'll go show you guys where it is. I think it's this one right here. There's all the starters. See right there. I'm pretty sure that I think that's a 7.3 starter. No, I think this is it. That looks like the old one from my town car. This one's it. This is the old one from my town car. Why it's still in there, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the old one from the town car. And here's the one for the truck. So we can put this one back. Okay, I thought that starter I showed you was a 5.4 starter, but it was a 302. And then I don't think my dad took the old starter out, but the town car's old starter is still there. So if that one, see, I changed that one because it quit working. I had to beat on it to get it to start, but we're gonna see what happens with the booster here. So it could be cleaned up and we'd get lucky and it'd start this truck, but I'm not sure. Okay, we're working on getting the starter out.
I'll hold it.
Oh. Right here's where I need that. That's bigger than a 10. Seem to be wanting to go on there. I think it's an 11. What is that like? That's a 12. Okay, you don't have one like that.
7/16, same shit.
Really? I guess it is.
Too big?
Must be a 10. I'm gonna have to get a socket, I guess.
Use the little one. Unless you got.
Is this the 10?
No, 13.
Oh, I probably should use the little.
I wouldn't use that big fucker. Ooh. It needs sway bar clamp. This one's fucked.
Needs what?
Sway bar clamp.
Well, that's pretty bad, isn't it?
Broken. That one's pretty bad too.
Doesn't look like it'll be that hard to change.
No.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Why don't you use the little one?
I don't know where it
Quarter-inch
is.
drive. You know where quarter-inch drive is.
The little 3/8.
Second to bottom drawer. That's it?
Yeah.
Good deal.
I don't know why the other one wasn't working too well.
Fat? Too fat.
Thing's a little messy. I'm surprised that didn't break. Twisting the whole thing. I don't want to do that.
Doesn't matter.
No,
Junk starter anyways.
I'm talking about the wire.
Oh. I think the starter bolts are 10 as well.
Could be.
Could be wrong though. So, there's one.
Yeah, that's definitely a 10. Okay.
Will your little ratchet work on that, or you got to get something
I'll try
else?
it.
Probably got to get something else.
Where's the hardest one at? Now I'll get a wrench. It's gonna be. There's just 2 bolts on this, I hope.
How many does that have?
3.
And there's 3.
Ooh, yeah.
Fucker's tight, ain't it?
Uh-oh. I just stripped out the wrench. Damn it. I should have used the ratchet one. Now it's stuck on there. That's why you can't. Why is it? Oh, it's not. I stripped freaking teeth out.
Skipper.
I shouldn't have. I knew I shouldn't have done that. And I just messed it up.
Here, hold this.
Now I gotta go get the non-ran now. I think the head's hitting the solenoid. It ain't gonna work. I knew it was gonna do that. And that's getting it. Well. Did it even loosen up, or did it just round the head?
Loosened up.
Oh, good. That sounds rusty.
It's my Velcro on my glove.
Oh my god. Well, that was the hardest one, I think.
No, there's one more up there.
So there's 4 on this one.
No, that's 1 right here,
Yeah.
2, and then 3 is up here somewhere.
Yeah, that's the one you got.
No.
Oh. Find it. That was probably the hardest one.
The one I'm doing right now is the hardest one.
Well. There it is. The new starter from Amazon for the 2001 F250. Also known as the new truck. Gas or black. There it is. Oh wow, that looks bigger than the other one. Feels nice and heavy. There it is. Well, here's the list for the truck. Watch it go into place here. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, it needs screws or bolts.
In your pocket?
No. Oh. In the magnetic tree. Oh, Bubba.
Here is one. Jesus. Now, this is, you can't make that crap up. Did you do the hardest one first? Or, oh, okay. I know you can't see it, guys, that well, but it'll have to work. tight.
Wire it up.
Yep. All right, new starter's in, wired up, sprayed with protectant.
Oh, yeah. I was gonna take the thing out.
Well, after having to do a little bit of work to the cam position sensor, the battery's hooked up. Now it's time to see how it starts. Let me spray the negative first. Thing now. Probably the cluster. Okay, it's time to fire it up. I'm gonna put it in park because it won't start in neutral. Nice. That sounded amazing. Gotta love it. I think it's smoking some.